welcome to my channel. Today we have one more vehicle with me, which is a 9 model, which has been reconditioned. I'm going to walk over the vehicle to you. This is a beautiful vehicle. You can see the interiors of the vehicle, and it's second owner vehicle. So you can completely check the body line of the vehicle. It's like a completely neat, well-maintained vehicle. So for more information, you can just look at the body line of the vehicle. And right now we have done a little bit of polishing and rubbing on this vehicle. So I'm going to walk through the full body line of the vehicle. Right now you can see the whole line of the vehicle. It's really beautiful. And this Innova is a diesel engine, and this is the G version, 2.5 liter G version, and it's registered in Karnataka. And you can check the complete body line. It's like typically like a new condition. I'm going to show you the tire condition of the vehicle. This tire condition, you can see it's up to almost 50% of the tire. It's like it can be driven up to around some 35 to 40,000 kilometers, and it is very comfortable in Innova. Right now we have done a little bit of rubbing, polishing on the vehicle, and the bumpers have been repainted because this is a very 2009 model which has been reconditioned. And for more information, you can just check the number, and this is a Karnataka registered vehicle. Right now I'm going to show you the interior of the vehicle. This interior of the vehicle, you can just check out of the vehicle. It's really beautiful and very pretty, and this is a 5-speed diesel engine, and 1,31,035 kilometers driven. And this is a touchscreen. We have AC, power steering, power window, so everything is completely. And I'm going to show you the engine bay, which is well maintained. You can just check out the engine bay. And this is the walkover of the engine bay. You can see the completely, it's a showroom kind of a vehicle, well maintained, and it's an accident free vehicle. So you can see the complete body line of the vehicle. Everything is being clearly maintained, and everything is really beautiful. You can come and test drive our vehicles, and you can check the condition of the vehicle, and then you can buy from us. Guys, I'm going to start the engine and rev the engine and show you the performance and the sound of the vehicle. You can just check it out. You can see the condition and sound is like a pretty smooth engine. You can see the quality of the engine. I'm going to rev the engine. You can see this engine sound, so beautiful. It's like a flower engine, and there is no sound at all. Okay, and when coming to the Innova comfort, it's really beautiful to drive an Innova. It's like a pleasant car feeling, and the suspension and the quality of interiors and the comfort of the ride. It's really beautiful to invest on Innova. Whoever are looking for a 7-seater, second-hand 7-seater, which is available with us in Bangalore. So this is the center row of the vehicle. Here easily 3 people can be seated, 2 adults and 1 child can be seated in this position. And see the leg room of the vehicle. It's really beautiful, and it's really comfortable when compared to any other vehicle. And we have one more. You can just check out the leg room. It's really beautiful, and the interior is really beautiful, and it's a dual AC vehicle. For the third row, I'm going to show you how it opens. So this is the third row, how it can be seated. And it can be seated here. Small kind of children can be seated. Almost 3 people can be seated, or 2 people can be seated. Children's between the age of 6 to 10 years can be seated in this row. So when coming to the leg space, here we can put minimum of 3 bags. I'm going to show you such a big bag which I'm going to be placed. Here 3 kinds of bags can be placed. Family bags can be placed for a small kind of trips or anything. If you want much luggage to be installed on this vehicle, we can fold these kind of seats. For more information, you can call us or WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. So please stay with us in our channel, and please subscribe to our channel for more details. We have many more vehicles to show you in upcoming months. Thank you. Have a great day.